Do you want to sound like the greatest clarinet player of all time? Now you can get this special edition Squidward clarinet and sound like Squidward, the best clarinet player ever. What's going on, y'all? Gregory, Agid here. I just got my Amazon package and you'll never believe what's inside this package. Y'all, just take a wild guess. Today, I'm gonna play test the cheapest clarinet on Amazon and I'm gonna test it against my $6,000 buffet. Let's go. Today is a very special day because we are going to unbox and play test the cheapest clarinet available on Amazon. And I'm gonna test it against my $6,000 professional Buffet Clarinet. We're gonna answer a very important question. Can a $100 clarinet compete with a $6,000 professional model instrument? Let's go. First, let's unbox the Amazon clarinet. First and foremost, we get this beautiful shipping box that, of course, notates the fact that we have purchased a clarinet. The post office person or the UPS or FedEx driver is going to know that, hey, this house is a clarinet playing house. So first of all, Amazon, good on you for shouting out the clarinet world and letting the entire universe know that we have ordered a clarinet. I'm gonna be careful opening this box because if this clarinet happens to be a POS, and that is the technical term, a POS, if this clarinet is a POS, I may have to return it. And if you one day decide to purchase this cheap Amazon clarinet, who knows, maybe you'll be playing the same clarinet I play tested in this video. But let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside the box. We have this beautiful clarinet case. We're gonna say goodbye to our clarinet box. Goodbye, clarinet box. And as you can see, we have a clarinet case wrapped in plastic. And let's go ahead and open this baby up. All right, y'all, this is the clarinet case that comes with the instrument and nothing too fancy. It's got a little zipper here in the front. Oh yeah, let's see if anything is inside. There is nothing inside the zipper. We have a beautiful handle in case you choose to walk to your gig, clarinet in hand. I do have to admit one thing to you all. This is not actually the cheapest clarinet on Amazon. I splurged and I spent another $15 and we're about to see why I spent the extra 15 bucks. And I promise you, it is a good reason. Because the cheapest clarinet on Amazon was actually a plastic black clarinet, but this clarinet that I purchased, y'all ready for this? It is a pink clarinet. Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out. So when we open it up, this is what we get. We have a bunch of stuff in there and I don't even know what's in there. Let's see, let's see what we have. We have a beautiful, we got a swab. We have a swab, it comes with a swab, that's beautiful. We can clean the spit out of our instruments. And, you know this is gonna be a nice horn because we got some beautiful white gloves. Oh! I think in honor of the white gloves, I am actually gonna put them on and continue the unboxing because obviously we are unboxing something extremely beautiful. And I wanna take care of this delicate instrument. Some beautiful white gloves. Look at that. I feel like I'm going into surgery right now. Got these beautiful white gloves. This is almost worth the purchase right here, just getting these sick gloves. All right. Oh, I think I almost ripped them. My hands are too big. I guess whoever's playing these clarinet, they got little hands. All right. Let's get into this clarinet. All right, so we got the clarinet. It comes with some mouthpiece guards right here. I'm gonna put these to the side. It comes with some, alcohol pads, right? And just for the record, y'all, this is for external use only. Whatever that means. We got some cork grease. Whoops, I dropped the cork grease on the ground. Sorry, y'all. We got some cork grease in the house. Let me go find the cork grease real quick, excuse me. We got some gel things. And we have a little luggage strap here for our case. I'm gonna go ahead and latch that on, just in case. Luggage straps for the case, in case. All right, so now, this is what we have left. The beautiful, beautiful clarinet. And y'all are gonna see why I spent another $15 on this instrument in just a couple seconds, because I splurged to get the pink clarinet. So let's go ahead and unbox this baby. All right, we got everything sealed as if this is like a CIA instrument here. I guess I'm gonna be the first person to ever play this instrument. So maybe if I do return this instrument and you get one in the mail and it's not plastic wrapped, you know I played it first. So this thing is, oh my gosh. Okay, 1 second. I'm gonna go get some scissors because these white gloves, I don't have the right traction here to open plastic. Now that I got my scissors, we're gonna open up the barrel and, oh, let's see what this barrel is. Oh, look at that, y'all. Look at that beautiful clarinet. It's pink, it's gonna be gorgeous. We got one barrel. It does not say what size. It does say the brand of clarinet, Van Fit, I guess, something. We're gonna open up the second barrel. So we have two barrels. What a luxury purchase. It's not only pink, but it's got two barrels. There's no way I'm returning this clarinet. I'm gonna play this clarinet on a gig at some point, and the world is going to be jealous. All right, so we have two clarinet barrels. Got a whole heap of trash too, and let's see, one is slightly longer. I'm gonna guess this is a 66 millimeter barrel, and I'm gonna guess this is 65. I'm not really sure. It does not say, but they are pink, and that's the most important part. Next up, we're gonna open up the mouthpiece. Oh, that opened. Whoops, don't drop your mouthpiece in the ground, y'all. Oh, we got a pink mouthpiece too. And wow, look at this, y'all. The mouthpiece comes with a reed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to play this clarinet exactly as it is. Oof. There's like some plastic shavings or something on here. All right, we got this beautiful pink mouthpiece. Cane reed. All right, we got a pink mouthpiece plastic cover thing. All right, so we got this stuff happening here. All right, let's open up the bell. Now we get this wonderful, 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 gosh. All right, I'm gonna take off the gloves for a second. I think it's gonna help me in the process here of opening up this case. So we got a little clarinet stand, and this in and of itself might be worth $100 itself. Let's see what we got here. Open. All right, don't do that either. All right. We got ourselves a clarinet stand. Let's go ahead and open up this barrel. No, this is not the barrel, this is the bell, excuse me. We got this beautiful pink clarinet bell. I'm gonna put that on the clarinet stand, and y'all, it's time for the main course. Let's open I guess this is the upper joint. Let's see what's going on with this baby. Come on. Oh, snap, y'all. Look at that. So this is how it comes right here. Look at this beautiful upper joint. Oh, yeah. We got a couple pieces of plastic here to hold the keys in place. I'm gonna go ahead and remove them. And then I'm gonna remove this right here from the A key, and look at that joint. That is one pink clarinet. Woo! All right. looks like a clarinet. That's good. We got the pink upper joint. Let's check out the pink lower joint. Oh. All right, this is our lower joint, the reveal. And of course we have a couple pieces of sponge or something, keeping the keys down, and this is the lower joint right here. So a couple things that I noticed right off the bat. There is like gook over here or something. I don't know what it is. I don't know if you can see this right here. I'm gonna try and get my face out of here, but there's like a tiny bit of like, I don't know, it looks like there's still like residual plastic hanging off of the tone holes, but you know, what do you expect for $100? This is, well, here you go. This is our lower joint. It comes with an adjustable thumb rest, and I might need a screwdriver to open that up and adjust it, but this is our lower joint. So let's assemble the clarinet. Get our cork grease, I'm gonna grease this baby up. I'm gonna put a lot of cork grease on it because it feels pretty dry. Put some here on the lower joint. I cannot wait to play this pink clarinet. I've never in my life ever played a pink clarinet, and this is about to be amazing. So remember, when you're assembling the clarinet, you're gonna want to push this key down right here and see what happens. Oh, that is tight. Oh my gosh. Wow, that is real tight. Okay, we got it in there. So now the clarinet is coming to life, and I'm gonna put even more cork grease on this thing because it needs a lot of grease. This thing, all right. I'm gonna put this bell on. All right, that just popped on real easy. Look at this beautiful, beautiful pink clarinet. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. I'm gonna put the longer barrel on. And put this right here. And then we'll put some cork grease. Oh yeah. All right. So this is our beautiful $100 pink clarinet. And I hope the clarinet is in focus. And this is it. This is what you get for $100 on Amazon. Oh, what a beautiful clarinet. I have to say, this is one hot pink clarinet. I've never played a pink clarinet, and I am psyched because this might be the X factor to taking my career to the next level. For the next part of this video, we are gonna put this clarinet in direct competition with my Buffet Festival. Let's bring out the festival. Dun, dun, dun. This is, my Buffet Festival. And in the next part of the video, I am going to play test my Buffet, which costs $6,000, and we're gonna play test it against this $100 Amazon pink clarinet. Pinky. Let's see what happens. We're back, y'all. I got my camera set up, got my microphone. I am ready to play test these horns. Before we play test them, I would like to give you an opportunity to see my new pink clarinet up close and personal. So first, let me get my clarinet. Wow, that was magical. This is what a $100 clarinet looks like from Amazon. It is beautiful. It is pink, and it is a clarinet, I think. It comes with the reed already put on the mouthpiece, and this is literally what the horn looks like right out of the box. It's got an adjustable thumb rest, and honestly, at this point, the best feature is that this clarinet is pink. There are a couple things here. You can see some like plastic kind of, I don't know, it looks like there's some gunk right here on the sides of this key. You know, also a tiny little bit of plastic right there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but hey, it's a $100 clarinet. What do you expect? Without further ado, I am going to play this beautiful pink clarinet. And for the record, I have never played this horn before, and I have made absolutely no adjustments to the instrument. And I am actually going to play the instrument exactly how it came out of the box. Let's get that in focus. Come on, get in focus, camera. I haven't even made an adjustment to the reed. So this is literally how the clarinet comes right out of the box. Now, for the moment of truth. You ready? Let's get a drum roll going. For the clarinet. Let's do it. I'm nervous. That is a sound. I think this clarinet should be called the Squidward, because right now I feel like I sound exactly like Squidward from SpongeBob. And just for the record, I could never achieve that sound on my own clarinet setup. So this is, I'm going to call this the Squidward from now on. First and foremost, I need to adjust the reed. The reed is in a terribly awkward position, and I get a very squeaky, weird sound. It's really, really, really low on the mouthpiece, if you see. Let's see if we can get that in focus again. Come on, camera. Yeah, so you can see the clarinet reed is really low on the mouthpiece, and it's not really sealing. So the first thing I'm going to do is adjust the placement of the reed. And I guess if you purchase this clarinet, you should also do the same. So now we're going to play it again with the reed adjusted. And let's see how that changes our sound. Go, Squidward, go! As you can hear, I'm getting a very authentic Squidward clarinet sound. And so I guess if you are looking for a Squidward vibe on your clarinet, I would highly recommend this pink clarinet from Amazon, because honestly, I've never played another instrument that gets such an authentic sound to Squidward from SpongeBob SquarePants. So if you're looking for that Squidward sound, this is the clarinet for you. I'm sure a lot of the squeakiness is a result of the mouthpiece, and God knows what kind of reed this is. It could be a 1.5 reed. I don't know what it is. But a lot of the tone issues, I'm sure, are a result of this reed. So at some point, I am going to put my clarinet mouthpiece and reed on here. Then we're going to hear what that sounds like. But until then, I am having fun squeaking and squawking. So I'm going to play a little bit longer on this because it's just kind of fun. So the instrument sounds pretty horrible. And right now, I'm blaming this sound on the reed and mouthpiece setup. So I'm hoping that the instrument itself is not completely atrocious, and just hoping that a lot of this sound is a result of the mouthpiece and reed setup. So what I'm gonna do is put my mouthpiece and reed on here and see how the instrument plays. Now I'm gonna play the Squidward with my mouthpiece, ligature, and reed. Let's see what happens. Now that we play tested the Squidward, I am going to bust out my $6,000 Buffet Festival Clarinet. And just please keep in mind, I've been playing this Squidward for the last 20 minutes, and I am just pulling this instrument out and seeing what happens. So it might take me a moment to adjust, but this is going to give you a pretty authentic difference between the Squidward and the Buffet Festival with my mouthpiece setup. Let's see what happens. pros of this instrument, first and foremost, would be that this clarinet is pink. Y'all, having a pink clarinet is pretty awesome, and I am grateful that I currently own a pink clarinet. I think the second best part about this instrument is it's not broken, right? It works and it's playable out of the box. And it's $100. And so for $100, you're getting a pink clarinet that works. And that's a good thing, I guess. Maybe this is a good option for a young child, someone who doesn't know what instrument they want to play, and you just want to spend $100, give them an opportunity to see if they like it, and then you can spend some more money to see if you want to get a better instrument. But yeah, you're getting exactly what you pay for. You're getting a cool pink clarinet that's not broken, and it's got a real authentic Squidward sound. The best thing I can say is it works and it's pink. Unless you're dead set on getting a pink clarinet, I would highly recommend maybe spending $300, $400, or $500 on getting a more reputable brand beginner clarinet. Buffet, Yamaha, Bakun, Selmer, any of those brands I think will serve you better in the long run than one of these. Who knows how long this clarinet will actually last. And just to be honest, it's pretty janky. It works, right? It works. It's pink. It looks cool. But yeah, it's not really in tune. And just in general, the quality of a beginner instrument from an actual reputable instrument manufacturer is going to be a much better investment than spending $114 on this actual instrument. It's not horrible. I want to be honest about that. It's not horrible, but I think for another couple $100, you will get an instrument that will actually last you for a couple years, and you're not going to outgrow immediately because you're going to play this for a year, 6 months, and if you ever get a chance to play a real instrument, you're going to immediately want to play that other instrument because this is just not a very high quality instrument. It looks cool, it plays, there's nothing terribly wrong with it, but it just, you know what I'm saying? It's a $100 clarinet, so maybe start at a $500 clarinet. As for our clarinet competition, I am going to go ahead and say that my Buffet Festival is the winner of the best clarinet between the Squidward and the Buffet Festival. Now, that's not really a fair competition because this is a $6,000 professional model instrument made out of wood, and this is a $114 clarinet from Amazon made out of pink. It's not really a competition. I just wanted to go ahead and play test both of them so you could hear the difference between both instruments. This is a great instrument if there's someone in your life who just wants to have a clarinet and is not sure if they want to invest a lot of money into playing the instrument. And maybe you just want to give it a test. And then later on, you could decide that you want to spend $500, $1,000 on getting an instrument that you're going to play for a couple years. And of course, y'all, this is an instrument for a professional musician or someone who has a lot of money, and it doesn't really matter how much money you spend on something. This is a beautiful instrument. This is a fantastic horn. You're getting what you pay for. And again, there's no real competition between these two instruments. If you are serious about playing this actual instrument, definitely get a new mouthpiece and get a new reed. As you can hear, when I put my mouthpiece and reed on this instrument, it dramatically changes the tone of the clarinet. So get your own mouthpiece, get your own reed, and that will dramatically improve the quality of this instrument. I'm really excited to keep this. I think this is going to be a great instrument to play outside. I don't really have a clarinet that I feel comfortable playing in the rain or if it's drizzling. And I will not feel any shame if I play this out in the rain or play this out in some crazy weather or something like that. I might even keep this in the trunk of my car. It gets really hot here in New Orleans, and I will not in any way feel guilty about leaving this in the trunk of my car when it's 120 degrees outside. And wherever I go, I know I'll have a clarinet to play just in case I want to play. People will be really excited to see me walk up on them with a pink clarinet. If you all enjoyed this video, please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and if you all would like to support me or my channel, you can visit my website, download a PDF, give me a super thanks, or you can come up with some creative way to show me some love. I appreciate you very much. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you all next time. Peace.